welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and, well, first of all, I gotta thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I didn't think I'd get it this fast. I thought it'd be like a year or two, but it's only been about 9 months, I think, something like that. So, yeah, and in that time, we went from having 9-volt batteries on this wall right here to we had one notification appliance out in this hallway. Ooh, that's not looking good. And then added another one around the corner, and then added one up here. Then we did the little mini system test series, you know, with this stuff right here. You know, there's still remnants of it, because you can tell where the batteries were. Then we got this bad boy, got the panel, and had 2 devices, or one pull station here, one pull station here, the smoke detector, and then Knox right here. And then we extended it, and then we got FPL, and yeah, now we're here with this system test. So this would be system test 26, I believe. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it. So we got the KD278B, we got the 2151, classic remote horn, classic remote strobe. I'll make this showing the devices fast. 425120. Genesis horn strobe, but like the LED series. General Electric Smoke and Heat BG12. Genesis horn strobe, Genesis remote strobe, and another Genesis remote strobe. So let's start out in this room. It's the first time I'm actually going to hear the system, so it'll be interesting. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now let's pull this pull station. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now let's go to the 425120, and then we'll do the 2151. Alright, so finally, we're going to do the 2151. So, I think that's everything for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Yeah, I'll see you guys for the special tomorrow. This will be a sound off that we're doing. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.